Two mobile phone masts, A and B, are located at points with coordinates 4, -3 and -6, 7, respectively, with respect to some base. The numbers are in kilometres. Part 1, find the distance between the two masts, give your answer to 2 decimal places. Part 2, because of poor reception, it is proposed to install an additional mast at the midpoint of the two masts. What are the coordinates of the point where the new mast should be located? So part 1, we're going to find the distance between the two masts. So we're going to let the point A, 4, -3 be x1, y1, and B, -6, 7 be x2, y2. Then the distance between the two masts is given by the distance formula, which is the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So swap the x2 for -6, the x1 for 4, don't forget the minus in front. We swap the y2 for 7, and the y1 we swap for -3, but since there was already a minus in the formula, -3 becomes +3. So -6 minus 4 is -10, minus square root 10 is 100. 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 squared is 100, 100 plus 100 is 200, and the square root of 200 is 14.14 kilometres to 2 decimal places. Part 2. Because of poor reception, it is proposed to install an additional mast at the midpoint of the two masts. What are the coordinates of the point where the new mast should be located? So we're going to let M be the midpoint of MB. So we're going to use the midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So we're going to substitute into our formula. Swap the x1 for 4, the x2 for -6, the y1 for -3, and the y2 for 7. So 4 minus 6 is -2, and -2 divided by 2 is -1. -3 plus 7 is 4, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. So the midpoint is -1, 2.